Hello and welcome to Gluten Watchers. I am your host, Rachel Toon, and on this episode, I would like to share with you step number 2 in transitioning to a gluten-free lifestyle. My book, Guts and Gluten, a step-by-step guide to gluten-free living, which is available on Amazon, talks about 11 steps that are necessary in transitioning to a gluten-free lifestyle, and we're walking through those. Last episode, I discussed step 1, which was educating yourself and understanding what's happening in your body. And now we're talking about step number 2, which is simplifying your life and making the whole household gluten-free. Yes, I said the entire household that lives under your roof gluten-free. I know you've probably rolled your eyes at me now and thinking there's no way that I'm going to be able to get all the members in my house eating gluten-free. They're going to kick, they're going to scream, they might even bite me. I'm telling you, it is absolutely necessary. And let me explain why. First off, you can no longer be exposed to gluten. In fact, you might as well put a big sign outside your door that says gluten-free zone. If you are allowing gluten through your door, you are allowing the devil in your household. It is evil to your body. And in fact, anytime you are exposed to gluten, you are slowing that healing process taking place. You're thinking, how in the world am I going to get my family on board with this? What are some ways that you can talk to your family about why it's necessary to go gluten-free? Because it is necessary. It's not an option. This is a new lifestyle. Well, let's talk about that. Sit them down and explain to them what's happening. What is your diagnosis? What's going on in your body? And the beautiful thing is in step 1, which we've already talked about, we go through that. And you can break that down for them. The other part that I want to bring to your attention is you're actually decreasing their risk, if you have celiac disease, of them developing that condition. You're going to explain to them that they're at an increased risk. I don't know if you realize, but family members that are first-degree relatives, whether that's parent, sibling, child, are at a risk. 1 in 10 are at risk of developing the condition of celiac disease. And family members of second-degree relatives, which would be the grandparents, grandchildren, aunts, uncles, nieces, nephews, even half-siblings, 1 in 39 are at risk of developing celiac disease. So the sooner that you eliminate gluten from their diet, you're decreasing that chance of them going down the same path that you've been down. Now, is it going to eliminate it? No, I'm not going to tell you it's 100% guarantee, but you are drastically decreasing their risk of that. The other thing is that you need them to be on board for you. This has to be a team effort, and explain that to them. This is new territory for you, and be honest with them. Yes, I'm probably going to botch some meals, but I need your input. I need positive criticism on, what they like, what they don't like. You truly have to eliminate gluten in your household. And we're going through those steps on how to do that, but this is another route. Everybody has to be on board with it. Even if you have get-togethers and you have people maybe do a potluck of some sort, you have to express to them that although you're perfectly fine with making all the food, if they are wanting to participate, they have to prepare a gluten-free meal. So I just want to encourage you. I know this can be overwhelming. It can be intimidating, especially when you're approaching your family, but it's necessary. You have to give your body the opportunity to heal itself. If everybody's on board, then it just simplifies and it streamlines the whole process. Make sure you don't miss an episode. Hit the like button and subscribe. Give me a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And most importantly, I hope that I'm putting life back into your lifestyle. Thanks for listening.